Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Nandito naman si My Lapsi guys. And ipakita ko sa inyo guys yung binili ng amo ko na ibon para sa aking alaga guys. Buhay to siya guys. Live siya guys. Totoo na talaga siya guys. Ayan siya guys. Yellow ang kulay niya. Ayan. Nakatangkal siya guys. Kasi nga lilipad siya eh. Ayan. Ayan ang boses niya guys. Ayan siya. Hello. Hello. How are you? How are you, bird? Are you okay? Are you okay there? Give me sound. Give me sound good. Yeah. Very good. Did you scared me? Did you scared me? They want to fly. They want to fly. They want to flying. Aywa. Very good. Very good. Very good boy sound. Yan tubig niya guys. You want to fly? What? Hello, how are you? Hi, hi. You okay there? You want to play? You want to flying? You want to flying? You want to eat? You want to drink water? Hello, can you give me sound good? Diba? Very good. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell.